Hi everyone, I'm Xiaodong. Currently, I am responsible for the marketing-related job at Skyfire, but starting from today, I don't want to define myself as a marketing manager. I want to be a maker myself and become the member of this community. I know that my skills are not enough and I have a lot to learn, but at least I have this direction. And as you can see, guys, we just moved into this workshop. You can see the machines, the space, and the people. And all these can help me facilitate this transition. And not only me, but also all the employees at Skyfire. I hope that they can gradually develop this maker spirit, because I think that only when we truly love creating, understand creating, and take part in the creating, can we serve the makers more accurately and genuinely. Only in that way can we stand together with the makers. And later on, I will record more video about myself making the machines. For example, making the boards and assembling the machine, or disassembling the machine, or adjusting the machine, the parameters. So I feel excited, and yes, just want to know, you guys know that we have that spirit. Thanks. Today, I'm first taking some time to understand this control board, and also how the wiring flow through the system. You could say this is my first lesson in becoming a member. Jared is the one teaching me today. And now I'm going to explain it to everyone. So first, this is our outlet terminal block. The 5 external wires are connected to the 3 live wires, L1, L2, L3. And this one is the neural line, and the remaining wire is connected directly to the ground busbar. Then those 3 live wires come out from here and connected over here, and the neutral wire also comes out from here and goes directly to here. And then the 3 live wires input from here and coming out from here to the terminal blocks here. And then they are connected back to the input side of these 3 circuit breakers. These 3 circuit breakers are used for servo system, water chiller, and laser source. As you can see, once the live wire comes out from here and they go directly to the AC contactor. And these 3 contactors are also correspond to the servo system, the water chiller, and the laser source. And the input here, and this one is particularly for the servo system. So let's focus on this one. And then the live wires coming out from here, and then the first passed through the filter, and after coming out the filter, and they're connected to these terminal blocks. And then from these 3 terminal blocks, we take out the 3 live wires and connect L1, L2, L3 to the RST for this one, and then another L1, L2, L3 to this one, and then another L1, L2, L3 to this one. So these 3 servers are powered. So possibly this is for X axis and these 2 are for Y axis. And then the small servo is powered by single phase electricity, so because it is for Z axis, it cannot use a 380 volt power supply, so it only needs 1 single phase live wire. So we can take from here to connect to L1, for example, and then the neutral line from here to L2 for this small servo. This way, all the servo systems are connected, and by the way, these three are external resistors. Each one is responsible for each of this big one, which is used to protect the servo drivers. Okay, next let's take a look at how this cutting control board is powered and wired. First of all, this cutting board cannot run on 380 volts directly. It requires 24 volt power supply, so it has to go through this power supply switch first. We can see that this live wire is taken directly from here, and this is the neutral line here, and the ground line directly connect here. And both neutral line and ground line are okay. In this way, its power input wiring is completed. So then the power out comes out from here. This comb is negative side, and which is 0 volt, and this one is 24 volt. And after coming out from here, they are first directly to this point, and then to this terminal, and from the terminal to this control board to power the control board. And so the control board is powered. And then these are the signal wires here. Okay, as we mentioned just now, these two AC contactors are used for water chiller and for the laser source. So the output of one contactor can connect the three-phase power directly to the water chiller, and this one output here to the laser source. Alright, this control board is only partially completed for now. So I'm just taking this opportunity to ask Jared to teach me the wiring paths for today, and this is my first lesson I've learned today.